I'm not going to play games with you. Either walk in here right now or I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest, and it's going to be a really high bond. You got about
why is it like this?
Mr. Siak.
I didn't do the crime. She just told him, you guys are going to arrest me and hold me in jail for a crime that I...
Knock it off.
Mr. Siak, I'm advising you to be quiet. And
he's got 3 minutes to get into this courtroom or I'm issuing a warrant. I'm not going to play games with you hanging out in the parking lot.
Yeah, you guys are going to crook me. All right, I'm on the way.
Watch your mouth.
Yeah. I'm on my way.
With a different attitude, or you're going to end up in the back one way or the other. I promise you.
Is it going to be one way or other? I'm on my way in.
Shoot him.
Buckle up. Today's courtroom showdown features a defiant defendant refusing to enter court, a furious judge threatening arrest warrants, and a no-contact order violation that's about to explode. Andrew Seek is playing a dangerous game, and this judge is not having it.
We're going to get Mr. Siak in here. Lisa, if you know who Mr. Siak's lawyer is.
Yes, Your Honor, it's John Tucker Davis, and I am here. I was speaking to Mr. Siak.
Okay, we're going to have to get him in here real quick. Is Mr. Siak in here?
Mr. Siak logged in, and we can explain that. He's in the parking lot on Zoom. He will come in if the court wants him to come in.
Yeah, but
we'll try to get him in, and he refused to come back in.
Tell Mr. Siak to come in here. If he's not in here in 5 minutes, I'm going to issue a warrant for his arrest.
He's on Zoom, Judge. I just brought him in.
Siak, Clark, Andrew Stephen Siak, 25T7174451. Your name?
Andrew Stephen Siak.
Ms. Tucker Davis, your name?
Don
I'm sorry, what was
P59229, Your Honor.
You're all on behalf of the people. There is nothing written on that file. The reason is because while we were sitting on there right before this hearing, the victim was here. Andrew Siak and the victim did have contact. The victim advocate here from our office, as did Will, the court officer. I spoke.
Mr. Siak, let's stop.
I'm sorry?
I'm not going to play games with you. Either walk in here right now or I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest, and it's going to be a really high bond. You got about
why is it like this?
Mr. Siak.
I didn't do the crime. She just told him, you guys are going to arrest me and hold me in jail for a crime that I...
Knock it off.
Mr. Siak, I'm advising you to be quiet. And
he's got 3 minutes to get into this courtroom or I'm issuing a warrant. I'm not going to play games with you hanging out in the parking lot.
Yeah, you guys are going to crook me. All right, I'm on the way in.
Watch your mouth.
I'm on my way in.
With a different attitude, or you're going to end up in the back one way or the other. I promise you.
Is it going to be one way or other? I'm on my way in.
Shoot him.
I'm on my way.
Mr. Siak.
Wait, did he just say, I didn't do the crime while violating court orders? Bold move. The judge warns him 3 minutes to get inside or face arrest with a high bond.
25T7174451.
May it please this honorable court, Don Tucker Davis, P59229, representing Mr. Andrew Stephen Siak, who's present.
I would take it down about 11 decibels if I would. Mr. Siak? Mr. Siak? Humility goes a ways. Arrogance will never help you in here. Acting like you are a superstar will never help you in here. Call over to probation, see if they can come in here and figure out what other company they can call, John. I can't have this thing going on if I can't concentrate.
I mean, it'd be great to have it off.
Stop. Mr. Siak.
On say nothing.
I wouldn't either if I was you. I just got done telling you that. All right, Ms. Tucker, they're telling me the prosecutor is here. On October 28th, it says he was here on Zoom, and it says 10 minutes.
We're going to look at him.
But then left at 8:45, which is why I made him appear in person.
Okay.
Now,
Don't-
what are we doing on this case besides addressing the potential bond violation? Anything?
We adjourn this for discovery, which I think is very important to this case too today. We still have not heard or received that. Madam Prosecutor was looking into that still. We do have a preliminary exam date set for November 25th, Your Honor.
We're told the exam is the 25th. They're my test to get all the discovery that.
The judge drops truth bombs. Humility goes amazing. Arrogance will never help you. That buzzing ankle monitor becomes the perfect symbol of Mr. Seek's chaotic attitude problem.
They're coming in here.
No, Pam said they gotta try to find the English. Just give me a minute.
You go out in the hallway. Ms. Tucker, I'm gonna need you to zoom back in. They want, it sounds like there's a violation of the no contact provision, at least allegedly. So I'm gonna have to, what's that?
Do you want me to come in person? I could have done that an hour ago. And do you want me to come down there in person, or?
Where are you right now? Are you in Trenton?
I'm in Detroit. I can get it right on I-75.
I mean, if you want to, it's not, yeah, maybe you should. Maybe you should. And we'll get his tether dealt with, because I feel like I'm at a carnival right now. Get here when you can, please.
Is it possible to address my attorney?
Not now.
I will leave right now.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you back here. Thank you.
Can I log into Zoom there? You guys want to go ahead?
You said it's the all.
You're gonna, listen, why don't you go out in the hall? Why don't you go outside?
I'm tired of the hall. All right. This question?
Come on back up here. I don't need you even in the hallway with that buzzer going off.
That's the one's asked. Sorry, sir.
Well, let me finish. We all said,
Okay.
when I call your case, you're coming,
Thank you.
okay? And if they figure out what is going on with this tether, and they will come out and you guys will work with the tether company and shut the thing off, so I don't have to listen to that. Nobody else does. Is that right?
For the police that we just called her here because she came and caused a problem at my location, and I'm
Mr. Seac?
police first.
Yeah. I told you once before, come on back up here. Don't walk away from me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, what's the outside?
I told you once before I'd take it down about 11 notches. Now I'd go 732 and a half notches down. If you come in here with this attitude, son, you're not helping yourself.
I realize that, but I feel like you guys just railed it.
I railroad.
Not you, but like
Nobody's,
six.
nobody's railroading anybody. Knock it off. Stop. Go cry in your tears if you want.
I don't cry. I'm just.
I don't really want to hear your nonsensical gibberish. You got what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Quit acting like a tough guy. We'll have the hearing when your lawyer gets here. I'm gonna be fair with you. I'm not listening.
Okay, thank you. That's all I was worried about.
We have no reason to worry about that, Mr. Siak.
Yeah, you're a good judge.
Go out to your car. Mr. Kessel, I'd like you to appear. This is Judge McNally. Appear by Zoom on this. It's a welfare fraud case. Ms. Barkovich is apparently going to show up. Can you log into this courtroom where I sit here, please? Thank you very much.
732 and a half notches down. The judge is done. Mr. Seek keeps interrupting, playing victim, and showing zero respect. This is how not to act in court.
Priority waste up C 25S024455 A and B. Is Ms. Trombley out there?
We already did those.
I adjourned this one already?
Yeah, she had 4 cases this morning. Those are the other 2.
All right, I'm just gonna adjourn. You picked a new date, Lisa, if you would, please. Okay, I'm just writing it down.
November 18th we gave her, 8:30.
Okay, good enough. Ms. Lumen, I don't know what to tell your lawyer. Would you start to tell me? Is she showing up?
She did say that she was going on break soon in the trial at Third Circuit. So that's the last information that I was given.
All right, Lisa, November 18th at 8:30 is what you said on the priority waste, right?
Yes.
All right, that's what we'll do. Ms. Lumen, I'm going to ask you to just stay there if you please. People against Andrew Stephen Siak, 25T7174451. Come on up here, Mr. Siak, with your lawyer. Counsel, your appearance, please, Ms. Tucker Davis.
Good morning, or good afternoon, Your Honor. Nora Holloway on behalf of the people.
And John Tucker Davis, P59229.
By the way, it's good to have you here.
Thank you.
I knew Ms. Tucker Davis when I was about 10, right? Your name?
Andrew Stevens, I.
All right. Now, so we have the deputy chief here?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what's your name, please?
Deputy Chief Rozak, Roseville Police Department.
So do you want to talk to him? Are you satisfied you can go forward now?
I can go on.
Okay. You want me, I'm going to swear him in then. Okay. And the issue here is whether or not there was a bond violation. So you guys can have a seat, relax. Deputy, why don't you come on right up here to the witness chair, please? Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got. All right, have a seat, please. Go ahead, Ms. Allen.
Can you please state your name for the record?
Deputy Chief Rozak, Todd Rozak, Roseville Police Department.
Could you spell it out for the court reporter, please?
TODD, last name Rozak, B as in boy, R-O-Z as in zebra, D-I-W-K King.
Mr. Brozek, did you come here to the court today?
I did,
And today is November 4th, 2025.
correct.
And when you came here, you informed me of an incident that occurred with Andrew Siak and complainant Shelley Zajac, is that correct?
Correct.
And could you tell me what you know about that incident that occurred?
I was here on the state docket, and my road officer had called me directly and said that he was at the residence and there was an incident, and your subject, your defendant, Mr. Siak, has said that he needed to be here at court at a certain time, and if I could relay to the court officer that he was going to be delayed.
And so to your knowledge, was Shelley Zajac at the residence this morning, or at Andrew Siak's residence?
Your Honor, I would object and ask for clarification. Were you actually at the residence?
No,
So, yeah, you could, I can ask, were you actually at the residence?
it's not.
And it was your road officer that was at the residence.
Correct.
And he informed you that, he was at Andrew Siak's residence and Shelley Zajac was there?
Yes.
Do you know any other details about that incident?
Nothing that I was not there. So there is a report that's being generated.
Were there any arrests?
No.
And was anybody transported here by a road officer?
Yes, your victim.
The Shelley Zajac was transported? And if you know, was Andrew Siak transported? Did he get here on his own?
I do not know how he arrived here.
I have no idea about that.
Any evidence that she was there against her will?
No.
Any questions of him? Thank you.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
You can step down. Thank you. What do you want to say? Anything?
Just that, Your Honor, there is a no contact order in this case. The report was generated. They were both at the residence at that time. In addition to that, what happened today at court, they were making contact. I also asked a victim advocate here that observed that, as well as a court officer that was at the front. And I was informed by the victim herself that Andrew Siak had told her to.
What in the world was she doing over there if this test, you can step down, sir. What in the world was she doing over there at his house?
Here's the critical legal lesson. No contact means NO contact. If she calls, don't answer. If she visits, lock doors and call police. Who initiates doesn't matter. You're responsible, period.
Do we have any evidence as to why she was there?
The reason that she told me was that she was going there to pick up her keys. Keys, I believe, to a vehicle, if I recall correctly.
All right, I'm gonna cut this short. Mr. I want you to understand something.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to sir me, and you don't have to say anything right now, okay? When you have any contact with her, regardless of who initiates it, that's a violation of the no contact. If she comes over to your house and you let her in, that's a violation of no contact provision, not by her, by you. I didn't order a victim not to have contact with you. I ordered you not to have contact with the victim. If she calls you and you pick up the phone, that's a violation of no contact. She comes to your house, you let her in. That's a violation of no contact. She emails you and you email back. That's a violation of the no contact provision. She texts you and you text back. That's a violation of the no contact provision. So stop acting holier than now. I can't stand that.
Well,
Mr. Siak. Don't shake your head at me, son. Do not shake your head at me.
Yes.
Do you understand what I just told you?
Yes. I didn't realize I can't say something on my end.
Let you talk. Hang on.
Yes, sir.
I can caution. I can tell you that if I were you, the last thing I would do is talk right now. That's just me. That's just me. You want to talk? Feel free to talk. I got all day to listen. John, go warm my coffee. You can talk for 4 hours if you want. Because you cannot sit and listen, son. You're going to interrupt. You think, whatever. Go ahead. Talk. Say what you want to say. Might get you in more trouble.
I was speaking with my attorney.
No, you sounded like you wanted to address the court. You looked at me when you said, I want to talk. You started to interrupt me. You want to talk? I got all day. It's 12:20. I won't take a lunch. We can sit here till 4:30 if you want. I got a wedding at 4. But I can listen to you for 3 hours and 40 minutes if you want.
Judge, that's the smartest thing I've seen him do all day, finally letting his lawyer speak. The defense argues there's no evidence Mr. Seek actually let the victim inside.
I think Mr. Siak is going to allow me to speak for him.
Okay. Jeez. That's the smartest thing I've seen him do all day. Go ahead.
Your Honor, from the testimony, if we do have a witness if necessary, but if from the testimony it appears that the complainant came to the house, there is no evidence that Mr. Siak let her in or engaged in any conversation with her to come there. We're asking for this violation of no contact.
You're still under oath. Was the information conveyed to you that she was in the residence? If you don't know, you don't know.
I know she was present. I don't know if she was inside the home. You're right.
As I was starting to say, those are violations of the no contact provision when she contacts you and you have anything to do with it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If I was you and I saw her approaching in my house or my yard, my property at all, I would lock the door, shut the drapes, and call the police and say, the victim is here and I don't want to be accused of violating any no contact provision. You don't need to interrupt me. That's what I'd do.
Yes, sir.
Didn't nobody. You just want to interrupt. If I had a nickel for every time you've interrupted me today, I'd have enough to buy a whatever. I'm telling you, Mr. Siak, you better change your attitude. There's not enough here for me to violate him under these circumstances. Plus, next time you need the witnesses. You need her and you need the responding officer, not the deputy chief who's told something by the responding officer. We're going on November 24th on this, right? 25th, I'm sorry. November 25th, exam to remain.
Plot twist. Despite all the drama, the judge finds Mr. Seek not guilty of bond violation. But insufficient evidence. The deputy chief's hearsay testimony wasn't enough without actual witnesses present.
For November 25th, hearing held regarding violation no contact. I want to be clear. If she's there and you let her in, that's a violation of no contact. Do we understand what I mean?
Yes.
I'll just make a note. Defendant found not guilty of the bond violation. We'll see everybody here on the 25th.
Rather, if I may make a record.
Yeah.
We were here today on the adjourned PCC for outstanding discovery. In the paper police report and that I did obtain, there was a second person in the room wanted a complaint, was making a statement. We are requesting to find out if that person made a statement to the police. There are outstanding photographs of any alleged injuries in this case that we were asking for. There is also a written.
Did I sign a discovery order in this case?
I don't recall, but Your Honor, I already informed defense. I requested it from our OIC. I spoke to another detective here today from Trenton, and he's going to make sure that all gets in.
Okay, make sure you get it to her in the next few days, though.
No, I
So-
understand.
Because there's no way I'm adjourning this. What else do you want?
And the exam is the 25th.
I know. You're gonna get it to her by hopefully this Friday at latest, right?
Of course, I always do my best.
I know you
I
do.
do want to say that Madam Prosecutor has been very cooperative in this. She's been trying to obtain it, but I needed to make a record.
Sure,
Thank
I
you.
got it. And
No, Your Honor, nice
nice to see you. Nice to see everybody. We will see you here on the 25th. Thank you very much.
Case concluded. Not guilty on violation, but Mr. Seek walks a razor's edge. The judge warned him clearly, any future contact means jail. Preliminary exam set November 25th. Discovery issues remain unresolved. This defendant better change his attitude fast or next time won't end so favorably. What do you think? Was the judge too lenient or fair? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more explosive courtroom breakdowns.